What's up, guys? So I wanted to give you all a little bit of advice today on using your mind to destroy success stereotypes. What do I mean by that? Well, people seem to have, like the average person has a prejudice against any other human who becomes non-average, above average, achieves success in any metric of life. And I'll give you an example. You see like a big pudgy truck driver, right? Truck driver who's overweight, very overweight. You don't batter an eyelid. You look at the guy, oh yeah, truck driver, you continue on with your day. But you see a big muscle-bound dude, right? Go walk into a shopping center or something along those lines. And what do most people think? Oh, look at that guy. Steroids. Everybody stops and stares. Cars coming by. Everybody stops and stares, right? Jaws drop. Everyone downplays his success, the hard work that he's put into building that body. Oh, this guy's on steroids. Oh, he's a trend muncher. Oh, he's a juice head. This and that. No one understands the amount of consistent effort over years it took for that man to get to that point, right? That man is above average. Everyone wants to downplay it. Same thing happens with monetary success, right? You see somebody with monetary success, you think, oh, born into it. Oh, con artist. Oh, snake oil salesman. Oh, this. Oh, that. You don't understand what's behind that success. The sleepless nights. You know, the 10, 20 years of struggle eating noodles and sausages and all of that stuff, right? That guy wasn't born lucky. Some people are. But that's rare. That's so rare. Old family wealth today is rare. They are the 1%. Most of the wealth you see in people's hands today, the average person, comes from hard work. So, use your mind to understand this. Next time you see a big dude in the shops, don't think steroids, think, geez, man, that guy put in so much effort to get that. What a bloody legend. He's above average and I aspire to be like that. Next time you see the average man drive past in a Lamborghini, think the same thing. That person probably sacrificed half of their life, half of their existence on this earth to get into that Lambo. That person is above average and you should aspire to be just like them. Not conspire against them because somehow they magically did it. No. If you can use your mind to identify these patterns and destroy them, you can also become successful. Don't forget that, guys.